Welcome to Roads and City Streets. Today we travel Dougall Avenue and Ouellette Avenue from Dougall Parkway to the Windsor Waterfront and Dieppe Gardens. Dougall Avenue and Ouellette Avenue are two major thoroughfares in Windsor, Ontario, connecting the Dougall Parkway to Dieppe Gardens fronting the Detroit River. These streets have a rich history dating back to the early development of the city. Historically, these roads were part of Highway 3B, which existed from 1935 to 1997. Today, Dougall Avenue and Ouellette Avenue serve as important routes for traffic entering Windsor from the south, connecting to the Detroit-Windsor Tunnel and the city center. Please like and subscribe. It's free and really helps the channel. I thank you very much, and let's continue. Dougall Avenue is indeed a major north-south arterial road in Windsor. This busy thoroughfare serves as an important transportation corridor connecting various parts of the city. Along its length, Dougall Avenue hosts a diverse array of businesses and services, catering to the needs of residents and visitors alike. The avenue's commercial landscape includes a mix of retail outlets from large chain stores to small local businesses. While specific stores may change over time, the corridor typically features a variety of shopping options, dining establishments, and service providers. One of the key features of Dougall Avenue is its connection to the EC Row Expressway, a major east-west highway that runs through Windsor. This intersection provides a convenient access for motorists traveling across the city, enhancing Dougall Avenue's role as a crucial link in Windsor's transportation network. The importance of Dougall Avenue as a transportation artery is further emphasized by ongoing infrastructure improvements in the area. For instance, recent projects have focused on enhancing safety and accessibility, such as the construction of a pedestrian underpass and a multi-use trail near a railway crossing. These upgrades aim to improve the corridor for all users, including pedestrians and cyclists, in addition to motorists. Dougal Avenue and Ouellette Avenue are connected by a short section of road named Ouellette Place. As Windsor continues to develop, Dougal Avenue remains a vital north-south route, supporting the city's transportation needs and contributing to its economic activity through the diverse businesses located along its length. Ouellette Avenue is known for its commercial and entertainment offerings and access to Windsor's riverfront, a popular attraction with a 4.8-star rating based on 1,261 reviews. While not an indoor facility, it offers a scenic outdoor space for families to enjoy. The southern end of Ouellette Avenue is known for its vibrant nightlife, with some of Windsor's most popular bars and clubs offering live music, DJs, and a variety of drinks. Ouellette is the main artery of downtown Windsor. Ouellette itself is an attraction, featuring various shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Visitors can find craft beer, gourmet popcorn, frozen yogurt, gelato, baked goods, and ice cream along the street. Ouellette serves as a central hub for visitors to Windsor, providing easy access to many of the city's top attractions, dining options, and entertainment venues. Ouellette ends at the riverfront. The area hosts celebrations of art, food, and drink, bringing people together in festive atmosphere. Windsor's riverfront appeal lies in its open-air setting and picturesque views. The city has made efforts to improve the pedestrian environment along Riverside Drive, enhancing the overall experience for visitors. This commitment to creating an inviting public space has contributed to the riverfront's popularity. There is a lot to explore. The riverfront's popularity is further evidenced by its frequent use as a gathering spot for major events. For instance, it serves as a starting point for the annual Ouellette Car Cruise, a popular event that draws car enthusiasts and spectators alike. Dougal Avenue and Ouellette Avenue not only facilitate transportation, but play a significant role in Windsor's urban landscape. Connecting neighborhoods and serving as a link between the city's southern entrance and its scenic riverfront at Dieppe Gardens. What notable landmarks or popular spots along either avenue would you recommend visiting? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.